Hey, what's up, guys? Back. Oh my god. Bad intro. I just can't do it. Sorry. Welcome back, Warrior fam. I know I haven't got any subscribers yet. But I am here today, out here playing basketball. Sorry, I haven't played for a little while. Yeah, in about 30 minutes, I'm about to head up to open gym. You might see a little bit of footage of that. I'm here with my basketball. Shout out to Spalding. You guys have been really good to me. This ball is like the best ball I have ever had in my life for a basketball. I haven't really done any videos in a long time. A lot of school. So, I mean, it's like really hard to get videos in these days when you're like a young child, unless you go to unless you're a home school child. Not saying any bragments or anything, you know. Not trying to brag for the people that go to homeschool. I kind of feel bad for the people that go to homeschool. I don't know, but I feel like they probably don't get out as much or have many friends. Not saying that you don't, you know, no grudge, man. But sorry, I'm really bored right now. It is really hard to do this because I'm like using one hand. I might do a video on clown hunting, but I'd like 10 likes to do that. I don't know if I personally would do that. Don't do it only because it's dangerous. It's not just dangerous, it's really not safe. Like, you know, you just don't want to do it. I've heard of a couple of clown sightings around where I live. Yeah, it's kind of scary. I'm out here in the country, you know, you hear a whole bunch of noises, but you know us country fellers, we aren't that scared. We're strong, dependable. So, yeah. Basketball hoop. So yeah. I'll shoot some hoops. Okay, so I'm about to show you what I made of. I've only been doing this for a couple of years, so don't hold any grudge, man. I'm not that good of a basketball player, but okay. Wrong hand, I know. It's kind of hard when you think about it. It's not really hard to play basketball, but probably won't see through. Okay. I had to fix that because I probably will be shooting threes too. So as I said, I've only been doing this for a couple of years. I watch a lot of videos on basketball. Might not be able to see me that good, but I mean I can do stuff, but you know, I'm not that good. Like, I mean, I might be able to dribble behind the back a little bit. You know, that's kind of like the easy stuff. let's see if I can make nothing but nets from 3 to 2s to a layup. If you don't know what a layup is or a 3, it's where you stand back behind the key and you shoot and you don't go past the key. A 2-pointer is on the sorry, I haven't been playing that basketball for a little while. I haven't even started practice yet. But you shoot it from the free throw, and then a layup, you just run up to the basketball hoop kind of like this. Kind of like that, but you might get a little bit closer. I know that was disgusting, but yeah, so I'm gonna try this. Hey yo guys, this might turn into a clown hunting video. Oh shiz. I just heard like a giggle or some sort of shiz. I don't know what it was, but I can tell you something. Like, I'm not even joking, this is scary right now, guys. Now, if people like pulling into my drive, this is scary. Shoes, I might just be making up things. Oh God, dog attacked me. That was scary. I don't know what it was. It might have just been my dog. Love my dogs. That was scary. I'm going to stand up here and like see if I see anything. As you can tell, without in the middle of nowhere. It's scary sometimes. Hello there, doggy. I hear some footsteps over there. Yep. I think this video might just end here. I'm not for sure. Like, I keep on hearing noises. Got my dog. Yeah, this is like really scary right now. I would not want to be right here in this situation because I am a kid and these clowns like this are like big like adults. Oh my God, there's one other dog. She just scared me like to death. This is really scary, guys. I'm not going to end the video here because I don't like want to start videoing like right if they start like making weird noises. But anyways, this is weird, like really weird. It's freaking freaky. Sorry if I'm speaking a little not very nicely or stuff like that. Okay, yeah, let's play some more basketball. You want to get my video, huh? This guy's name is Venus. Say hi, Venus, right there. Oh, you want to say hi? Okay. Oh, man. Okay. I don't remember if I made it last time I shot the 3, but tell me if I did in the comments below. Guys, I can't even make any baskets right now. I am freaked out a little bit. It's like Uh-oh. Dang it. Now I gotta go back to threes. Oh, made it. I didn't say it had to be a nothing but. Wait, yes, I did. Sorry, guys. I cannot remember things right now. That was scary. Like, okay. What the fuck? Maggie! Venus! Maggie! Venus! Whatever, guys. But at least something happens to me. We'll get this footage. Hopefully something doesn't take the camera. Oh shit. That's like my third time dropping my phone today. Okay, well, let's get back to nothing but that. I'm just going to tell you this now. I will be touching the rim only because I can't promise that I will make all or nothing but nets. But I will probably make a video on this, probably with my cousin or my family or one of my just friends, you know? Okay. Okay, that was like, that should have been in. Pretty sure why it does that is because you, like, shoot it like that, and so when it hits it, it rolls. Oh, yeah. There's Maggie and there's Venus. Okay. Yeah, so I just made that, now I gotta make it too. Yeah. Okay. I'm only going to use the rim on the layup. I mean the backboard. Sorry. Stuttering so much that scared me. I'm going to use the backboard, but wish me luck that it only just does nothing but net. Okay? Okay. So I did that like a boss. This is seriously crazy right now. I'm going to try from behind the camera, like right here. I'm like stepping on this right now. Okay. So. Okay. So like 2 or 3 minutes, I'm going to have to end this. I'll probably go around my yard a couple times to just make sure. But I'm going to shoot a couple more threes. Okay, first of all, I know I just was talking. But how you want to shoot his basketball is like this. Put one hand on the side and put one hand on the top. Like that. Stuff you want to do if you're new is like go like that, like above yourself. You probably can't see up in the air, but like you just lay down like on your bed or something and you throw it up in the air. So yeah, stuff like that. Well, bye.